On a don't grind me. First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth.
I wet the jungle, dunga, bongo, dunga, one. Terro done, I'm a lot the place, you know. I give you the best review.
Viewer subscriber, me tell you say, the whole world and them mother a link me and I say Terro done. Oh, you say you love war and this a go on. And I know me no hear you make a sound. Yo, Skillibeng fire sound ratty shut off for Intence. You want to see me skip to the loop. Let me tell you something, people. A big thing a go on. Skillibeng release a single entitled Crocodile Teeth. Bad man, me I tell you. No shot, no sharp, so. This song sharp, you matter of fact, me even talk about that in that different. That have nothing to do with me. We're so far back. Hold on there. Prohgres never drop a song. Money mine. Make we check it out. Then we get into We Love War.
Easy no accolades, what they pre, what the happenings. Girl well look clean like say she a do muggling. Tell me say she need to ride the thing like a bad with him. Jeans, white tees, plus the jewelry them dazzling.
This a one thing what we can't take from Prohgres. Him talent. No time. No care what you try to do, you can't take away Prohgres talent. Prohgres is a talented youth. You see me I say? Girl want to ride the thing like a bad rhythm. Yo, I tell you say, the man have some sneaky type of hey, the man rhyme them so sneaky and him rhyme them so tight. And him rhyme them just converse like a all-star. You understand? No joke. It's a all-rounder. It's a song like this where you can vibe to and you can even show off with. No joke. So me have to say, yo, big up Kicks Music. Hustle than entertainment. You know the thing going on. We didn't even have to say nothing else. You know what go on. You see me I say? But Prohgres, you're going with a bag of thing from what day. Zin, what day come talk the truth, you know. I just say, yo, people want to figure the truth, but the truth is that I lie that. You see me? And that song, the bad me I say, you know, so that you have the great talent when enough people are trying to abandon. But guess what go on? That now go on. Not in my cabinet. We are going to run more a review.
Full speed in the beam of dashboard when you traveling. Twilight they on the matic him with him. If you violate, you know what dirt with the gravel him. What's life without gambling?
I tell a man saying a dog. Yes, if you have life, you got everything. But guess what go on? Sometimes you have to gamble it. You understand? I not talk for going on the street and going like a killer and make people take it from you, you know. Because I know say, you're not going to play in a loose ball with even your funds. So why you going to really go in the street and make people take away your life from you? You're not going to do that. But guess what? The man I make sure remind you and I make you know say that. What's life without gambling? You have to gamble. You see me? Twilight there, you know. And him have the matic same way. So I protect my head back same way. You see me? We not trouble nobody, but if trouble come, you don't know we can fix things. You understand? We can fix things and make things alright. Yeah, man, hopefully lay down, and we not talk about sleep. Take it out, that not have nothing to do with me. You see me, I say, money mine. And people, me no want to play out the whole of that song, you know. Because I want to go check out the song. The link for it, I got down in the description and in the comment section, I got pin. Some of the people, I'm going to check it out. No joke. Prohgres, that song is bad. No joke. Yeah, show some progress. Big woman thing.
Count where you never believe with a minute. See, they know them can't believe it. Say you with this. Me have for yourself and my family. Want more, some gone for it.
So people, when you hear as much, I want to go check it out. You see me? Tell the artist say you are Terro dancer, no. You see me I say? And you don't know, me not go promote fuckery. Sorry for my indecent language. Zin? Me not promote nothing with fool. That youth are real talent. No joke, no inner it. Me not tell a lie for pretty it up for no artist, my brawling, my bowl. Zin? So if me hear a song and it bad, you don't know. The fans them are gonna hear the truth. If I fuck me, I say, the worst song this me ever hear. But Prohgres, that song is bad. So I can't say that, boy. You see me, I say, real mates. Prohgres, go and put in the work, in a brother. You see? Go and put in the work. You say you're born poor and you're go rich. So you have to go do it. Because I know you're born for this, bro. You see me? No joke. Now follow what the haters them want to say. Them are going to always chat, you know. You see me? Because them have to chat for try to prevent them out from think. Even though it still stink. Take it out tight. Them out look a bit thinking and shit. Not enough. But that makes me. Prohgres, go and put in the work. That's all me can tell you. Because you're a talented youth. And you've been a put in the work. Years now you do it, brother. You see me? And the people them recognize the talent and them are tune in. So let's go and do it, brother. I respect your talent, bro. You see? But what go on with twin Skillibeng and Intence? Me I go talk.
On a don't grind me. First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything get fuck when I reach.
Probably no phone no know, you know. But let me tell you what I go on. Because the fans them want to hear my opinion because I love war the most. You understand? But look on a style now. Intence do a single entitled Grimy. I think one time him do the song for. You see me I say? And he must say something, say yo, some boy for try him. You see me? And thing. And the song bad. I like it. But Skillibeng reply to that. And I say yo that. Even if it's not a reply, then a coincidence. Okay, that one I look like goat. True me attack. You see me? I stammer to blood clot. You see me? But big man thing, when they pre it, you know, the man I said, dog, gonna don't grind me. Only no bowl like me. See me? Every clip I have full of crocodile teeth or every gun. Cause you don't know them thing they got. When I pull up, everything get fucked when I reach. So just go and have a fun time cause none of you no cool like me, dog. See me? You don't bowl like me. No joke, I'm not talk Blackberry. One chop. So me could hear more now. Oh.
16 bun up boy skin. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and see. Me brain side corner rotted. Yeah man, on east side. Be a chapstick.
Don't get me wrong, you know, people. This probably is not a diss song, you know. But me have it as a diss song. Cause me love war. And me see through song with binoculars and see through. You see me? I want him so. Take that out tight. But big man thing still, really and truly. If Intence and Skillibeng forgot at a lyrical battle, who no feel like we don't win? Who no money depend? Tell me, don't take Skillibeng light and don't take Intence light. A two talented artists them. So them capable for do great things. Them capable for entertain the crowd, the audience. Skillibeng look like saying love it to you know. And Intence, Jesus peace. What a boy, me say. Me no know. It's like Intence study one book and the book I say yo Jano star just tease them look a bit more, jar them out, and hang there by them shoes lace. And everything look like set organized. But viewer subscribe Alkaline and link with you know. And you know Alkaline forward up in our business and how him get popular and turn a column in a dance hall. And you don't know say Skillibeng a cartel youth. You see me? So a cartel him get all praises. And popcorn, so you don't know. And then a joke thing. So you have a little bit of braveness and a little bit of take that out tight. Take that out tight. That have nothing to do with the review. But big man thing, would I love to see a lyrical battle between a Intence and a Skillibeng. Me want to see it, you know. Me want to see it. Because me not say no. Me want to see it. And I will be here to review the tracks. Well, the tracks them are for bad still. Even though them are go bad. So Intence, what you say? You tell them say try yo. So you say Skillibeng try yo. Not try no. Me say try. Try. T-R-Y. Because we no mind smutty. So now you say, tell them say fi try me. Try me. Me show them the real meaning of grimy. You see me? The can you play rhythm in a boy body. So here we go on. Everything get fucked, skilly reach. Jesus peace. All bones. Take that out tight. Me want the war, you know. That's why I'm there as an advocate, you know. Me want the war. Me want the war. Me even play the song. Me want the war. So if I this kick off the war, me could see what go on Intence forward. No joke, who want to see it. Skillibeng look like saying ready. Me see Japarati gun song today, you know. When you feel me not see it, tap your eyes, man. You chat too much, man, about the review. Me see it. No worry yourself. Me work off of my timing. You see? So nobody try me. But if you are subscriber, everything look much still. I like the song. Song sound good. And you don't know shot fire. Whether you want to accept it or not, shot fire. And the new nowadays shot fire in song. Just say something. Where look like say it have something to do with the song we dropped before. I'll lift that song the record first. So I say go music it name man. Yeah man. You will say things and it does happen in the future and you never expect it. What a coincidence. In that situation, you look like a goat and bull. Yeah, man. But for now, still, more of the people them go and big up themselves. You don't know anything, you see me I say, we are going to dig off. Some more of the people them tell me what them think about this review because I don't know, say I be a classic with drop and we not go below our standard. You see me? Because we don't say, yo, Me no know, but we have something to maintain. You see me? I have to maintain my status. So I want chop, I'm out.
You wanna know badness, top striker.